received, whatever you earn, whatever you offer, you have to pay tax to government. So let's understand structure of the taxation. In India, we have a direct tax, indirect tax, which I already discussed in previous slides. So what is direct tax? Direct tax consists income tax, wealth tax. Indirect tax consists excise, custom duty, purchase, VAT and service tax. If you are aware, all these tax are now GST. So government had took an initiative in 1st July 2017 and merged all these tax under one roof, that is GST. So now normally we have two tax, income tax and GST, which common people know. Okay, so this is about structure of taxation. So type of taxation. Always you have a like thought in mind. अरे टैक्स कैसा बिकता है? What is the system of? What is the basic behind the taxation? So there are two types of like system: proportional taxation and progressive taxation. In proportional taxation, what happens? Tax rate remains same. Your income is 100 rupees, your income is 1000 rupees. So in proportional taxation, so per group person pay high taxes. So in progressive taxation, your tax rate will increase as per your income increase. In India, we are follow progressive tax system. Are you aware about that? If 10 is a 10% slab, 20% slab, 30% slab, so your income increase, your tax increase. So there is a two types of taxation: professional taxation and progressive taxation. Progressive taxation is important for country for growing. So yes, अभी सब जन मेरे पास आते हैं. आई एम अ बिगिनर चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट. लोग मेरे पास आते हैं रिटर्न फाइलिंग करने के लिए, टैक्स भरने के लिए. सो पहला क्वेश्चन ये होता है, सर व्हाई आई फाइल रिटर्न, व्हाई शुड आई पे टैक्स? सो इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चन फॉर मी आल्सो टू टेल देम कि क्यों करने का है. लेकिन यस, देयर इज अ पर्पस ऑफ टैक्सेशन. इन फैमिली वी हैव अ वेरियस एक्सपेंडिचर, लाइक जैसे नॉर्मल अपना खर्चा होता है, रोटी, मकान, कपड़ा. वेयर दिस मनी कम्स, सो वी हैव सैलरी, वी हैव प्रॉफिट. So we have other in all over whatever we are living, we are getting here, that is free. But transport, police, all these things are not free. So it is provided by government. So how they are provided? The taxes which is collect from us, they use for this purpose. So what is the purpose of taxation? Basic purpose is to raise the fund for government objective. Then supplementary, regulatory purpose. Regulatory purpose to promote general welfare. Society like roads, transport, infrastructure, they need fund for that. So they use that fund over there. And compensatory purpose to maintain high level of employment through acceleration of infrastructure project. There are number of projects going on in our like India, like metro and all that. So how that money comes? The money comes through our taxation. So any penny of money you are paying, it goes to the development of country. Yes, like other people, I also pay tax. I don't like to pay tax. I also pay tax, but like I like roadway, I like fireman, I like cops. So where that money comes from? So it's come from taxes which we are paying. Then yes, need of compliance or tax management. Why? अगर जैसे लोग मेरे पास आते हैं, क्यों टैक्स भरूं मैं, क्या जरूरत है? So that time I always say it is always helpful or for to avoid penalty. If you are in business, then you cannot do business unless you pay tax. If you are in profit, you have to pay tax. So for smooth running of your business, you need to pay tax. If you are not paying tax, if you are not filing return, then after some time your business continuity will be disturbed, because there are some rules, there are some regulation which can stop to do the business. Then tax planning. If you have proper accounting, like which I discussed earlier in my session, why accounting is important? Accounting is important, tax planning. Then help government for nation building. So government wanted to build a nation. Then how it come? How it raise? Then government, this taxation help government for nation building. Then this is my point which I would fulfill national duty as a citizen of India. सब ठीक है, मैं टैक्स भरूं नहीं भरूं, लेकिन as a citizen of India, I should have my duty to pay tax first. Then I would like to tell you कि टैक्स भरना कोई मतलब गलत काम नहीं है, या आप बोलते हो क्यों बनना चाहिए, क्या करना चाहिए, नहीं. आपके पास प्रॉपर रिकॉर्ड, आप कमाते हो, आप गवर्नमेंट का फैसिलिटी यूज करते हो, यू हैव टू पे टैक्स. यस, गॉट अ इनकम टैक्स रिफंड विदाउट इंटरेस्ट. देयर आर वन ऑफ द सिनेरियो पीपल ऑलवेज फील कि अरे यार आई गॉट माय रिफंड विदाउट इंटरेस्ट. दैट इज हैपनिंग, बट there may be some chances that your income tax is less and all that thing. So you always see that you should have proper compliance system, you have proper accounting system, you have proper management system, so that your taxation aspect, your compliance aspect get automatically fulfilled, so that you can concentrate on business, marketing and government, and as a citizen of India you can help government to build a nation. Thank you.